Hello, I am Aletya Putya Deacon Me from the Met Office. Some parts of the UK might get some sunshine today, but it's generally been a fucking rubbish summer so far. With warnings about water shortages and droughts everywhere we look lately, we would now like you to worry about something else. Flash floods, drowning you in your sleep, no doubt. But that doesn't mean the drought will be over by any means. Trust me, you wouldn't want to drink that water anyway. You can also expect thunder and lightning, but we can't tell you where or when because it depends when they flick the switch. Friday and Saturday morning kicks off with a shimmering silver film across the whole UK sky. Think cling film stretched over a pint of week-old barium smoothie. The boys in the high-altitude paint crew have been scribbling tic-tac-toe lanes since dawn, so expect that classic milk white haze to smother every last bit of natural blue. Perfect backdrop for a trademark nothing to see here sun halo photo op. By early afternoon the mix thickens, cloud factory drones pile in more synthetic fluff, then dump a cheeky nano drizzle just to remind you they're still tweaking the knobs. If you feel a sudden metallic tang on your tongue, don't worry, that's merely aluminium confetti seasoning the showers for reflectivity optimization. Lovely. Come tea time, the atmosphere goes full kaleidoscope. Random rumbles overhead as the Skychem kitchen whisks in charged particle spice. Thunder? Maybe. Static discharge? Probably. Either way, roll your eyes, blame climate change and pretend the sky hasn't turned into a grey-brown patchwork quilt. Evening settles into a low-lugging, dull gunmetal blanket, ideal for trapping the day's brew beneath the lid so it can stew overnight. Visibility drops, humidity soaks your bones, and every street lamp halo looks like it's been smeared with a greasy thumbprint. Classic UK summer finale delivered by the weather modification wing. So grab your mask, no, not for viruses, for nanoparticle fallout, and treat yourself to a night in. The forecast says synthetic soup, and the only thing raining harder than the sky spores will be the BS from the Met Office press release tomorrow. Enjoy. And now here's your thermometric bullshit update straight from the Ministry of Made-Up Metrics. Temperatures today are doing that weird doesn't feel like the number thing again. Official readings will smugly report 22 degrees, lovely and warm. But step outside and your bones tell a different story. Feels more like 15 degrees with a side of why the fuck is the wind this cold in July? That's your classic geomod inversion layer at work. Sun's out, but the upper aerosols reflect enough radiation to keep you in a t-shirt with goosebumps. Meanwhile, the ground's absorbing all the heat while the sky locks it down like a bloody Boris Johnson stay-at-home order. So by late afternoon, pockets of humid dead air start blooming in random